Let's see how you can simplify these simple radicals. Okay, so um, this is root 27 x raised to the power 2 y raised to the power 7. Okay, so the first thing first is to also split this this 27. Okay, for us to split 27, we look for two numbers whereby one will be perfect square while the other one will not be perfect square. Okay, so to get the perfect square for 27, and since one will be perfect square, so let's consider 9 and 3. Okay, so we're going to use 9 and 3 for a for 27. So I'll say I'll write root here. I'll say 9 times 3. Okay, but this one is a perfect square, while this is not a perfect square. Okay, when the exponent is raised to power 2, you just have to leave it because this one is also raised to power 2. So I'll say times s raised to power 2. Okay, so this is y raised to power 7. Okay, so it can also be written as y raised to power 6 times y raised to power 1. Okay, if you multiply them together, you have what y raised to power 7. Okay, so I've still got to write my roots. This can be written as 9 times 3 times s raised to power 2 times y. This 6 can be broken into 2. We can have 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is essentially 6, isn't it? So you can say y raised to power 3 times s to the power 2 times y. Okay, because each of these terms we have what roots. Okay, so this can be written as roots 9 times roots 3 times roots s raised to the power 2 times roots y raised to the power 3 everything raised to the power 2 times roots y. This is also the same thing as this. Okay, so this is when it has been splitted, but they are basically the same thing. Okay, so this can be written as root 9 is what is 3 times root 3 times this square can cancel this root, so you're left with x times this square too can also cancel this root, so you're left with y raised to the power 3 root y. Okay, of course you're going to consider the one that have roots. There's the x and the y that have been cancelled, so we're going to have 3x, then the y raised to power 3. Then we're going to arrange the one that have radicals, which is what roots 3 times roots y. Okay, I can say